Meaning of homework.
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 Homework. Homework refers to tasks assigned to students by teachers to be completed outside of regular class hours. It can include a variety of activities, such as reading assignments, writing essays, solving math problems, or studying for exams. The purpose of homework is to reinforce and extend learning that has taken place in the classroom, develop good study habits, and prepare students for future academic tasks. While homework has been a long-standing tradition in education, it remains a topic of debate amongst educators, parents, and students who question its effectiveness and impact on student well-being.